Ricotta cheesecake, an Italian recipe. In a bowl, I will break 3 eggs. I will add 150 grams granulated sugar and will start beating them. And then, while beating them, I will add 50 grams milk and another 100 gram seed oil. And then I will add 300 grams ricotta cheese to the mixture and give it a whisk. And then I will add 200 grams bread flour. I will divide it into 2 portions. I will add the baking powder, the vanilla powder, or vanilla extract if you have, it is better, and a pinch of salt. I will combine all the ingredients. And lastly, I will add chocolate chips. Mix all the ingredients using the spatula. My baking pan has a grease-proof paper, and then I will pour the batter now. To be baked in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until it is done. The cake is ready. I will remove it from the baking pan and then I will drizzle it with powdered sugar to make it more attractive. Now this is optional. You may not drizzle it with powdered sugar. And here it is. Here is the outcome. It looks delicious. You may enjoy the cake with your family or with your friends. It's tasting time. I will taste this cake. This cake is absolutely delicious. Try it.